Assalamu alaikum students.
Walaikum Assalam, sir.
Today our topic is conic section. In the conic section we will study circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So first of all we are studying circle. The standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the circle. So there must be x square and y square. There must be x square and y square with the coefficient of 1. Both have the same coefficient and that is 1 only. And then there will be 2gx, that means x plus some coefficient. 2fy, so that means y and associated with some coefficient plus some constant. But in some equations you will not find there this 2gx and 2fy both will be absent, or any one of these two will be absent. But x square and y square must be there and c must be there. X square and y square and c must be there. If c is not there, that means c is 0. It means that will be the equation of a point. If c is not there, it means the equation, it will be the equation of a point. Shah Muhammad Azhar 62822. And then Bushra Liaquat 62229. So this is the standard equation of a circle which must contain x square and y square and c. X square, y square and c must be there, and 2gx and 2fy may be any one of them absent or both of them absent or both are present. But x square and y square and c must be there. If c is not there, then it will be the equation of a point, not a circle. Always Zahid 64139. And then 62998. Muhammad Asif Khan. So what is a circle? Circle is a locus of all the points Circle is the locus of all the points. Circle is the locus of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This is the fixed point. This is the locus. The path traced by a point is called the locus. The point is moving from here up to here in this way. That is moving in such a way that the distance from the fixed point is always be the same. This is the distance from this point. Then point is moving from here. Then this distance from the fixed point. Then point is coming over there. The distance from this point will be the same. This distance, this distance, this distance, all distances are equal. So locus of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Locus of all the points which are equidistant from a circle, from a fixed point is called a circle. This is the fixed point. That fixed point is called center. And this constant distance is called the radius. This length is called the radius. Radius is the length of the line from the fixed point to the point on the circle. Any point on the circle to this distance, to this center, this will be the same distance. That is called the radius. Radius is the distance, the length. Radius is the length. So this is the center. Its center is GF. The x coordinate is G and the y coordinate minus G and minus F. This is the center. And this is the point XY. So minus G and minus F are the coordinates of the center, and R is the length of the radius. R is the length of the radius. Sumbul Shabbir 64128. Then Hassan Khan 64089. Zain Ahmad 64131. Nimra Humayun 64083. Then Hamza Shafiq 61459. Six one 459, Hamza Shafiq, and Abdul Rafi 63914. And Ramsha Mansoor 64074. Hamza Shafiq, Abdul Rafi, Ramsha Mansoor. So this is the standard equation of a circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. There must be x square and y square, both must be positive, x square plus y square, and both have the coefficient 1. Then it will end equal to 0. This will be a standard equation. X square must be there, y square must be there, both must be positive, both must have the coefficient 1 and equal to 0. Muhammad Gufran Bhatti 64386. Okay. So this is the standard equation of a circle. How to form the standard equation of a circle when the center and the radius are given? When the center and radius are given, so we will find, this is the way how to find the equation. X, we will use the distance formula. We will use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance formula is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. This is the distance formula. If the 2 points are given, this one and this one, how to find the distance? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. This is the distance formula. We will use the distance formula to find the equation of the circle. We will use the same formula: x minus g if center is minus g minus f and radius is r. Center is minus f minus g, radius is r. How to find the equation of circle? We will use the distance formula: x x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, x2 is x, so x, distance is r, this distance is r, so r is equal to under root x plus g minus will become plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square. Hassan Rahim, anyone may convey the message. Hassan Rahim must write his ID, otherwise he will not be allowed. Anyone may convey the message. Okay, now we will open the bracket. R will be equal to under root x square plus 2gx plus 2fy, sorry, 2gx x square plus 2 into x into g, 2gx plus g square. In the same way, the next bracket plus y square plus 2fy plus f square. Take the square both the sides so that the square root can be removed. So it will become r square is equal to x square. We will write in order. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square equal to r square. R square will be shifted on the other side so that it will become equal to 0. Ahmad Mirza 63254. 63254. Ahmad Mirza. So we will further simplify. It will become x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus g square plus f square minus r square equal to 0. Now if we replace g square plus f square minus r square by c, these are the constants. If it is replaced by c, so it will become x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This whole constant will remove by c. So this is equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, because g square plus f square minus r square is equal to, we replace it by g. Okay. Hassan Rahim 64091. 64091. Hassan Rahim. So we will replace it by g. So it will become x square, but g square plus f square minus r square is replaced by c. So this will become g square, but g square plus f square minus r square is replaced equal to c. We suppose that g square plus f square minus r square is equal to c. So therefore equation will become x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy, and this whole x square g square plus f square minus r square is equal to c, plus c equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the circle. This is the standard equation of the circle. Hyder Ali 64068. Six four zero six eight. Hamza Shafiq 61459. Okay. So this is the equation of the circle where minus g and minus f are the coordinates of the center, and this is the radius. Izhar Kareem 63604. So this is the way how to find the equation, and when the equation is given, how to find the, when the coordinates of the center minus g and minus f and the radius r is given, the center and the radius are given, we will use this formula. R is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. We will use this formula to find the equation of the circle. We will use this formula to find the equation of the circle. And when the equation of the circle is given, how to find the center and the coordinates of the center and the radius. Center, if the equation is given, how to find center? The coefficient of x will be divided by minus 2. The coefficient of y will also be divided by minus 2. In this way, we will find the coordinates of the center. 2g divided by minus 2, it will become minus g. 2 is cancelled by 2, it will become minus g. In the same way, 2 is cancelled by 2, it will become minus f. So coefficient of x will be divided by minus 2, coefficient of y will be divided by minus 2. If x is not there, we will take 0 upon minus 2. If y is not there, we will take 0 upon minus 2. The answer will be 0, 0. This is the way how to find the center when the equation is given, and how to find the radius. Radius will be equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. First we find the value of minus g, the center coordinate of the center. Then we will find the radius, the coordinate x coordinate of the center whole square plus y coordinate of the center whole square minus this constant number. Then this constant number will be subtracted from the sum of the square of this coordinate and the square of this coordinate. And we will subtract the constant number in the equation, and then we'll take the square root. That will be the radius. If the equation is given, we will find the center and the radius. If the center and radius are given, we will find the equation by using the distance formula, this one. Okay, now we will do the exercise. Exercise 19.7. We'll do the exercise 19.7. I am sending you the picture in the group. Okay, I have sent the picture. Mohammed Humayun 64086. I have sent you the picture of exercise 19.7. First question from question 1 to 10. Find the equation of each of the circle. Question number 1, center at the origin, radius is 5. Center at the origin, radius is 5. Exercise 19.7. Question number 1, center at origin. Radius 5. Origin means 0, 0. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So center will become 0, 0 and r is equal to 5. We will use the distance formula, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. R will be the under root, and if you take the square, so it will become r square. It is x square plus y square is equal to 25. This is the equation of the circle whose center is at the origin and radius is 5. This is also correct, or 25 will be shifted on the other side, x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. This is also correct answer. This is in the standard form. This is not in the standard form. In standard form, it must be equal to 0. Just like the quadratic equation, when we change into the standard form, so it must be equal to 0. It must be equal to 0. Okay, that was question number 1. Then question number 6. Center at minus 2 comma minus 3. Radius is under root 2. Question number 6. Question number 6. Center at 2 comma minus 3. And radius is under root 2. So center 2 comma minus 3 and radius under root 2. We will use the distance formula to find the equation x minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 3, it will become y plus 3 whole square equal to under root 2 whole square. Open the bracket, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 6x plus 9. We use the a plus b whole square formula over there, a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, and equal to under root 2 whole square. Under root is cancelled by square, it is 2 only. To convert into the standard form, 2 will be shifted on the other side and it will be written x square then plus y square then minus 4x then plus 6y, sorry, plus 6y plus 4 plus 9 minus 2. So x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle in standard form, which whose center is at 2 comma minus 3 and radius is under root 2. So in this way we will find the equation of the circle when the center and radius are given. So this is the standard form: x square plus y square minus 2gx minus plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now M. Hassan Zaid came 64156. On next Saturday, you people have the quiz. Quiz 1. Okay, this is the equation, the standard equation. Muzammil 64049. The students who are joining privately, they must join through LMS. They might be marked absent on the LMS because they are not using the LMS. Abdul Bari 10233. The students who are joining privately, they must join through LMS. Otherwise, they might be marked absent because there is no record on LMS. This is the record with me only, not on the LMS. And your attendance is marked considering my record as well as the LMS. But my record is not so much important for them. They may think that the teachers are putting the present only. For the students, even they are not attending the class. The teachers are putting present.